In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with Calendly. By the end, your Google Calendar will be connected to Calendly, so your availability updates automatically and new bookings appear on your calendar without manual updates. First, open Calendly. On your screen, go to calendly.com and sign in if you're prompted. You should land on your Calendly home dashboard where you manage your event types and settings. Next, go to Integrations. Look for the Integrations option in the main navigation and click it. This opens the page where you can connect Calendly to other apps and calendar services. Now click Google Calendar. Find the Google Calendar integration tile and select it to open the connection details. From here, click Connect. You'll see a button labeled Connect beside Google Calendar. As you click it, then to start the authorization process. Next, sign in Google account. A Google sign-in window will open. Choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to sync, or enter your email and password if you're not already signed in. If you use multiple Google accounts, pick the one that has the calendars you rely on for your schedule. Now, allow permissions. Google will list the access Calendly is requesting, such as viewing and managing your calendars. This access is required so Calendly can check for conflicts and add events to your calendar. Review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. This is safe to do, and you can revoke access later from your Google account settings if needed. Once that's done, select Calendars to sync. Back in Calendly, you'll see options to choose which Google calendars to use. Now, select the calendar or calendars. Calendly should check for conflicts when showing your availability. Then choose the specific calendar where new Calendly events should be added. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct calendars, especially if you have personal and work calendars in the same account. If you only use one calendar, just select that one for both conflict checks and event placement. At this point, save settings. Click Save or Done to confirm your choices. Calendly will apply your settings and display Google Calendar as connected on the integrations page. You may see a brief confirmation message indicating the sync is active. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now synced with Calendly. Your availability in Calendly will reflect busy times from the calendars you selected, and new bookings will be added to the destination calendar you chose. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.